I wanted to see how accurate the mini
To do this trend, you need to install Remini application from Play or App Store. I have already downloaded the application. Now, after downloading, open the application. Now cancel this subscription page. Now after this, click on the AI Photos option on bottom left side of your screen. Now click on Get Started and then choose your gender and then upload your 8 selfies from your gallery. After uploading photos, click on Continue. Now choose the AI model image. Here are 2 model image which you can choose from. If you want a baby look, you can pick this one, and if want a little bit more younger, then you can choose this and then click on Use this model image. Now cancel this page. If you are iPhone user, then your photos will be start generating. But if you are an Android user, you have to take a 3-day trial to generate your photos. I don't know why Remini is providing free service to iPhone users and not for the Android users. So if you are an Android user and want to generate your photos, then you can take 3-day free trial. And after getting your photos, you can cancel the subscription. This way you won't be charged anything. To take a free trial, you have to add your bank details. Now after getting your photos, if you don't know how you can do this type of trend on TikTok, then you can watch my previous video about baby filter trend. I have given the link of that video in my description. By watching that video, you can do this trend on TikTok easily. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.